Hey everyone, welcome back to Review ER. Are you looking for an AI tool that can help you create affiliate campaigns? In this video, I'll show you the features, demo walkthrough, pricing, and whether it's really worth your money in 2026. Today, I'm reviewing Super Affiliates AI, a powerful platform designed to help beginners and marketers boost online earnings with AI automation. So make sure you watch this video till the end, especially the live demo section, no pain, because that's where the real magic happens. Let's get started.
So in this demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use Super Affiliates AI to build your own affiliate product review, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok channel, drive traffic organically and make tons of commission, all without doing any work, all using AI. So once you log into the dashboard, you can see a breakdown of all your campaigns. Now there are two ways to create videos, affiliate product review videos with your own affiliate links inside Super Affiliate AI. The first one is auto campaign and the second one is the manual campaign. So let me show you the manual campaign, then jump to the auto campaign. So if we click on create manual campaign, we're brought here and we can search for products from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, or we can even enter our custom product. For example, we want to promote something in AI. We click on search and it shows some of the trending products in AI. So let's say we want to do AI cash clones. So we select that product. Now we can select what kind of video we want to create. There are two kinds of videos you can create. A sales page scroll video in which AI will scroll the sales page and record that as a video and then add narration over it. Or you can place a demo video link from the sales page and then AI will remove the audio from that demo video and include its own scripted review voiceover on top of it. So let's go with sales page scroll. You can see all the details about the product. It's pretty solid. You can enter your affiliate link here. This is the affiliate link where you can request and then you can copy paste your own affiliate link. For this demonstration, I'm going to use my affiliatelink.com and then you can select the type of review script you want to create. You want to create an honest review, you want to create a comparison review, a story based review, or a tutorial style review. So let's go with an honest review in this term. Now you can choose how many characters you want. So your AI is going to be the host, and then you can also add a second character where the AI will conversate and make it look a lot more natural. So let's go with 2 characters and click on next. Now what it's going to do, it's going to start creating the campaign, collecting all the data, and build the campaign ready for you to start editing your video. Now as you can see, the script is generated. We're going to go and edit the campaign. You can see the script, you can read it, you can verify it. If you want to make it longer, you can add more content to it. You can regenerate the script. You can see the title of the video, the description of the video, the tags the video will use, all the images that we got from the sales page. We can select some of the images that we would want to use on the inside the video. If you want, we can do that. On the landing page, if we want, we can do that. And then we click next. You can select the background music that you like. There's tons of background musics to pick from. You can select your first character's voice. So let's say we want to do Carter. You can select your second character's voice. Let's say we want to do Hannah. You can even use 11 left voices or clone your own voice and use your own voice in the review video. You can include your talking head as well, so your face will appear right in the corner with eye movements, head movements, lip sync, everything added simply using just an image. We click on next. Now here we can upload a picture and create thumbnails. So for example, I want to upload a picture of me, and then I can write some text that I want on the thumbnail, or I can pick from all these different texts, or just leave it and let AI decide what it wants to do. So I'm going to select real or hype and click generate thumbnails, and it will create all these different thumbnails, and you can pick whichever you like and it will automatically use it when publishing the video for you. And as you can see, all the thumbnails have been generated. You can pick the one that you like. So let's go with this one, and it has used my face in the thumbnail because I uploaded my face. Again, I can clone my voice and use that in the video as voiceover as well. Now here's everything is ready. You can connect your social accounts, they will show up here, and then you can publish on multiple accounts. You can schedule it or you can publish it later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish it later so I can show you how the video looks. Now it's going to go ahead and start creating the video to be modified, edited, and previewed. So we're going to click here and go edit the video, and we have a full timeline editor that you can use. And let me show you. You can add images, videos, text, voiceover, face narrations, animations. You can select any clip and you can add animation on them. You can add transitions. You can add a credit, intro and outro. You can add captions from different templates that we have. You can background music, video music, text free. You can control all the music and the voiceover and the sound settings. Miscellaneous settings, a lot of things that you can do, and you can even record your own camera and mic or audio only and include that in the video. So full customization is available. And if you want to preview the video, we're going to click on play, and the video will start playing, and you can hear the voice. You can listen to multiple different characters talking to each other. You can see all the different clips. You can manage, move around, drag them, whatever you prefer. And once you're ready, once you're happy with it, you click on render and it will start rendering the video for you. Now this is how easy it is to create your first review video. Once it's rendered, it will be published automatically. Then you can see all the videos, all the scripts, all the thumbnails, all the audios, voiceovers in the library section, and in the schedule section you can see all the videos that you have scheduled. You can schedule them manually. You can select the video campaign type. You can select what date and time you want to schedule it, which accounts you want it published. Now let's also talk about the auto mode. So when we go in the auto mode, what auto mode does, it lets you pick a niche. So let's say you want to create a YouTube channel about products about AI and automation, or make money online, or health and fitness, or you can add your own niche, whichever, or you can have multiple niches if you want, right? So let's say you want to do make money online, software tool, digital marketing, AI automation. These are the niches, and select JVZoo or ClickBank or Warrior Plus. Now what it will do, it will find the trending high converting products in these niches on JVZoo, and then you select, let's say you want to create TikTok feed ads, or you want to create regular video ads, or just a regular YouTube short. You select that. You can select the country, which demographic you want to target, what language you want to do, and you can select, do you want one voice video or two voice videos. And again, you can choose the voices for both the characters. You can have 11 live voices. You can have the first character as you and the second character as somebody else. And then you can choose how many video you want to publish every day. Do you want to publish one video every day, two videos every day, or three videos every day? I usually do one video every day. And here you can pick which platforms you want these videos to be published, and then you need to enter your affiliate link template. So for example, it would be yourdomain.com/this, so it will automatically generate the affiliate link template. And if you want to add a disclosure, if you want to do that, you can do that. Once done, you click on save mode, and it will start creating one video every day and start posting it on the platform that you have selected over here, with title, descriptions, thumbnails, everything same way that we created the manual video. And it will keep doing it until you tell it to stop. So you could be publishing 7 to 10 videos every week automatically without doing anything, and all these videos will generate affiliate commissions for you. Now in the analytics sections, you can watch all the views and stats and conversions, and then we have the traffic builder module. Now this is very, very cool. It essentially helps you generate more traffic to your videos. So for example, in the review hub, you can see all the campaigns that have been created, and it creates a landing page automatically. So as you can see, when we came here, the page was already created, right? So there's the page. It has all the details about the product, everything. It's an honest review. Once the video gets rendered, it will automatically be added. Your review video will be added. All the details about the beautiful product and all the stuff is added here, and you can use this page to promote on social media, on Twitter or Instagram, wherever you want. You can of course change SEO schema. You can edit all the content. You can edit the review, whatever's written. You can edit the page in a WYSIWYG editor. either way you like. Then it also creates social cards. So if you select this one, you can see all the social cards that have been generated. You can view all of them, and you can use these captions. Again, you can copy them for YouTube, for Instagram, for TikTok. It also creates short hooks. Now these short hooks, when you pick them, it will convert this short hook into a script, and then it will create like a short video for you promoting the same review video that you have created, right? So let me explain it again. You created a review video. Now you can create short videos promoting the review video, so you generate more traffic. And you click on generate video, it will automatically generate these short videos and publish them for you. And you have tons of different hooks to play with. And then it also gives you options of pinned comments that you can post, like a comment that you can post on your own review video and pin it, so it's always on top. And of course you can regenerate all of this. Then you can create a custom domain. You can add a custom domain and do link tracking, cloak your affiliate links. All that stuff is also included. And then you can repurpose. You can create review articles, you can create comparison tables. You can generate all of these and download all of these and publish them on different blogs or other social media points. And all you have to do is just click on generate all missing, and it will start generating all these stuff for you. So Traffic Builder essentially helps you create additional assets that will be automatically created using AI and published to promote your video. And the manual campaign lets you create a beautiful video about the product, and then the auto campaign lets you create a beautiful review video about multiple products that AI picks itself and publishes them for you. Now, Super Affiliate AI is the easiest way to make money online as an affiliate without you doing any work. You just literally turn it on and you go back to doing whatever you're doing, and it will do all the work for you, and you check your commissions every day and you will make money doing this. So this is how Super Affiliate AI works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.